G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing the unboxing of the Huawei Nova 3i. Yes, it's been in the media regarding the cameras, but I didn't care. I'm going to unbox it and review videos coming over the next week as well. So without further ado, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Beautiful, world's best unboxing knife. You can't beat it. Now, one of the things I was really stoked about with this, just put the phone aside for a minute, is you do get a pair of Huawei Freebuds in the deal as well. Got a couple of seals here that need cracking. Always gets me. Nothing else in the lid. Huawei Nova 3i. Here we go. Look at that. That is a sharp looking device. So I'm just going to power that on and sit it over here for a minute and see what else we get in the box. Now, SIM ejection tool, put that aside. Recycling paperwork, quick start guide, put that aside. Huawei manufacturer's paperwork as well, put that aside. Glass screen protector, happy days. Can you beat that? Well, they're beating LG, I can assure you, because I didn't get that with my LG device. And something that every phone should get, because unless it's Samsung or Apple or the latest and greatest, you can't get a case for these things in store. So the fact that these guys include a nice cheap little case in the box is great. That means you can protect your device from the get-go. No worry about getting your device scratched. It is ready to go straight away and protected straight away. Also in the packet we also have micro USB, that's a little bit stupid. I don't know why we're doing that at this day and age, but we do have micro USB, charging brick, and another pair of headphones. So you get the wired headphones and you also get the Huawei Freebuds in there as well. Now I'm just going to carefully peel this off. Like so, and I'm going to put it in the case straight away. I mean, look at that. That is magical. Happy days about that. Now, just quickly, on the front you've got a 6.3 inch display with a 401 ppi across there. Yes, you do have the notch, but hey, look, this is an outright copy of the iPhone. Look where the camera is. Look where the notch is. Main camera is a 16 megapixel camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera on the back as well, and on the front you have a 24 megapixel camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera as well, and this phone is boasting AI all the way to town. If you have a look at Huawei's website, it just says artificial intelligence, AI, AI, AI. That's what they're all about these days. Look at the P20 SIM slot here on the left hand side of the device. On the top you have nothing but a microphone. On the right hand side you have the volume up and down and the power button. And on the bottom you have your headphone jack, which is a great addition, micro USB and your speaker. On the back, fingerprint sensor and your cameras and your flash with some nice branding. And that truly is a magical looking colour. I mean, look at the colour on that. It's just incredible. Everyone's going to be really happy with that colour. And the display on the front as well. So I'm going to quickly set this up and come back to you. And there we go, there's our home screen. So there it is. I wonder what you guys are thinking right now. I'm pretty impressed with that. I think it looks incredible how shiny that is. And the front display looks the same as well. This is running Android 8.1 and is running the Kirin 710 processor and the Mali G51 as well. So look, definitely mid-range software, but I'm guessing they're going to get the most out of it. 128 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM. There is another version that I believe you can get 6 gigs of RAM with, so that's pretty impressive as well. And we'll just go through now and check about phone. Android 8.1, EMUI version 8.2. 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and 112 of those gigabytes are free. The rest is taken up by the software, and we're running the 1st of June security patch from Android. So a little bit behind, 2 months behind in security patches. Let's go ahead and check to see if there's a system update. It's saying we're up to date, and look, I'm happy with that. 1st of June's not too bad. Really impressed with what I'm seeing so far here. Let's quickly test out the camera. Alright, here we go. First picture. And that looked pretty good. The shutter was really quick. It took the photo I imagined it would. There's your 16 megapixel camera there. Now I'm going to take a selfie. So I'll switch the camera around. This is 24 megapixel selfie camera. So whoa, that's quick. It'll better make me beautiful. So that's really quick, how fast that shutter is, especially with that front facing camera. And I'd say that's because of all the light that I'm in here. Look at that beautiful character. So look, not too bad. Obviously I've got a lot of testing out to do on this device. Let's quickly check the face unlock. And it unlocks really quickly. That's a lot like the iPhone. Once it's recognized your face, you then have to swipe. So I think that's a little bit of a second step. Definitely, it recognizes your face, and then you have to slide to unlock it. I think it should bypass that. And we'll quickly check the fingerprint scanner. Super fast, definitely quicker than face unlock. Really impressed with that as well. Tell me, what questions do you have about this amazing looking device? Do you think it's worth it? I think it's pretty incredible for the price. Like I said, you're looking at the LG Q7 for the same price, and that is a piece of crap. The minute I take this out of the box, I can tell it's twice as good, at least twice as good as the LG Q7, which is running for about the same price, and you don't get these awesome headphones as well. I'm going to be comparing this to the Nokia 7 Plus. I think it's on par with that, even though the Nokia 7 Plus is a little bit more expensive. Thank you for watching this video. Hit me up in the comments, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!